everyone, and welcome to today's learning season. My name is Delva Heron Nazwa, NPM 2441111N1, and I'm from class MNG 24C. In this season, we will explore a very important topic for our students, specifically those who dream of becoming entrepreneurs or business professionals, introduction to law and business law. We often hear the word law, but not everyone thoroughly understands what law is, how it works, and why it plays such a critical role in business activities. Today, we will discuss the because concept of law, its foundation, and how business law protects and regulates business activities to make them safer, more orderly, and more professional. Definition of law. Law is a set of rules and principles created by authorized institutions which are binding and enforced through sanction. The main purpose of law is to regulate human behavior, the achieve order, fairness, and certainty in society. Characteristic of law and contains written or unwritten rules. Section for violations regulates interaction within society. Law exists in every aspect of life, from driving, buying goods, working, to running a business, and to foundation of law. The essence of law is not meant to threaten people, but to create clarity and balance. Is society is important. Foundation include protecting rights and obligation, providing legal certainty so people know what is permitted and prohibited, ensuring justice and stability for the party who suffers loss, creating order and harmony in social and economic life, with law, society, and life peacefully and safely. And 3. Definition of business law. Business law refers to the legal rules that regulate all business activities, from establishing a company, making transactions, forming contracts, to resolving disputes. Areas covered by business law include 1. Contract law, 2. Company or corporate law, 3. Consumer protection law, 4. Banking and financial law, 5. Investment law, 6. Tax law, and 7. Labor. All of these areas help ensure that business activities run fairly, transparently, and responsibility. 4. Why business people must understand business law. It's not enough for entrepreneurs to only understand how to sell or manage operation. They must also understand legal aspects. Reasons include avoiding legal problems such as contract disputes for listening issue, increasing business credibility and trust, protecting personal assets, stability and corporate business structure like PT, understand rights and obligations in every, supporting sustainable and professional business growth. A business that understands the law is more stable, secure, and respected. And 5. Types of business entities. Several business entities are recognized under international law. 1. Sole proprietorship, owned not by one person, simple to start, but the owner has full personal responsibility. 2. CP, Commandant responsibility sharp, includes active and silent partners, capital is shared, and responsibilities. 3. Firm or firma, formed by two or more people, all partners share full liability. And 4. Limited liability company, a legal entity separate from its owner's capital is divided into shares. Liability is limited to the amount of share ownership. This is the most recommended form for developing large-scale business. 6. Business contracts. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more partners. In business contracts are essential for defining rights and responsibilities, determining pricing, quality, delivery time, and payment terms. Preventing misunderstandings, providing legal proof in case of disputes. Real contracts can be verbal, written contract holds tangible legal force. 7. Business license and legal documents. Before operating, business must have legal documents such as business identification number, sectoral license, taxpayer identification number, environmental permits, environmental permits if required. These documents ensure legal protection and encourage partnership with large companies or government institutions. And number 8, business dispute resolution. If dispute occur, the law provides several settlement methods: negotiation, mediation, arbitration. Ethical principles in business law. Law and ethics are two elements that cannot be separated in business. Even though something may be legally allowed, it does not mean it is ethical correct. Ethical principles guide business to act with integrity and fairness. Key ethical principle: honest and transparency. Business must communicate clearly, avoid deception, and present information truthfully. Fairness, that all partners, employees, customers, suppliers vary without exploiting them. Responsibility. Business must take responsibility for their action, especially when mistakes occur. Respect for stakeholders. Companies must consider the interests of customers, workers, communities, and environment. Compliance with the law, ethical behavior include respecting regulation, paying tax, and avoiding corruption. Business that professes ethics then to build stronger reputation and gain long-term trust. Consumer protection in business law. Consumers are one of the most important stakeholders in business. Because of this, many laws protect consumers from harmful or unfair business protection. Examples of consumer rights: right to safety, protection from the dangerous goods or service; right to information, accurate labels, clear price, transparent products detail; rights to choice, freedom to select goods without correction; right to be heard, consumers can file complaints and seek justice; right to compensation if a product is defective or harmful. Why consumer protection matters? It builds trust between business and the market. It ensures that business compete fairly. It prevents fraud, exploitation, and false advertising. A business that ignores consumer protection laws risks lawsuits, financial penalties, and loss of reputation. Intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights. In today's digital age, intellectual property is one of the most valuable business assets. Business law provides strong protection for information, creative works, and branding. Types of intellectual property: copyright protects art, books, music, software, video, and creative content. Trademark protects brand names, logos, slogan, and symbol that identify a product. Patent protects non-invented technology or process. Trade secret protects confidential formats or strategies. Why IP is important a business prevents others from stealing or copying your ideas. adds value to company and through information and credibility, helps build a strong brand identity. Labor law and employment regulation. Another important part of business law is labor law, which regulates the relationship between employees and employers. Key areas of labor law: minimum wage, work hours and overtime, employment contracts, social security, occupational safety and health, non-discrimination policy, termination clauses, benefits or understand labor law. Reduce the rise of conflict between employees and employers, ensure a safe and fair workplace, helps business maintain productivity and stability, protects both employee and employer rights. Companies that follow labor law and try to have better employee satisfaction and low turnover rates. Corporate social responsibility. CSR is a company's commitment to contribute positively to a society and the environment. Alright, not all CSR activities are legally mandatory. Many regulations encourage business to behave sustainability. Examples of CSR activities: reducing pollution and environmental waste, supporting local communities, providing scholarships, ethical sourcing of materials, creating software environments. CSR statement accompany public image and build stronger goodwill among stakeholders. The role of government in business regulation. The government plays an essential role in assuring business run responsibility safely and fairly. Government roles include making regulation laws on taxation, environmental protection, competition, and labor. Supervision agents like OJK, Financial Service, BPOM, Food and Drugs, and Komisi Pengawas Persaingan Usaha monitor compliance, providing licensed business permits ensure only quality business operate, protecting national interests, regulating foreign investment, and protecting domestic industries. Without government information, markets law become toxic, exploitative, or harmful to public. Business ethics vs. business law. Alright, created ethics and law are different. Business law created by government maturity, consequences include finance and legal punishment. Business ethics basis on moral principles, not always enforced by law. Consequences are reputation loss, distrust, ban, and for public image. A strong business is both legal compliance and ethical integrity. Finally, we have reached the end of this exciting season on Introduction to Law and Business Law. Today, we explore not only a fundamental concept of law and business law, but also ethics, consumer protection, intellectual property rights, labor law, CSR, international law, and the importance of legal compliance. Understanding all these elements will help you become more responsibility, ethical, and knowledgeable future professionals. As business students and future entrepreneurs, we must remember that success is not built only one profile, but also on discipline, integrity, and respect for the law. And thank you for joining this season. Once again, I'm Dela Faira Nazwa. I hope this material is acceptable and inspiring. Thank you for joining in this season. See you in the next video.